Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunno. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia. We do full service, partial month of coronations. We do custom events, milestone celebrations, pretty much anything that need planning and decor, we handle it all. I also do destination weddings. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. So the day before we jump into, like I said, try if some of you just joining me. Oh my God, I can get my words together. I'm so tired, guys. Literally just came back from a wedding, and I'm trying to get this done so I can just go and close my eyes and go to sleep. But before I forget, like, share, subscribe to my channel. You can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation where you can learn more about my services. You can also follow me on my website on www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, and you can also find that information in the comment. So, if you are just joining me for the first time, I started doing these videos. I took on the challenge to do this video for a year, and to give information to people, and said, Linda, you do a lot, and there's a lot of things that people could benefit from. So let's see if you can do this. So there we go. So today I'm going to talk to my ladies. Okay. One thing I want you guys to understand, when we get engaged and we are happy and everything is going great, we want to talk about some of the healthy habit things that you can do to cause yourself to look relax, refresh, like I said, relax, relate, release for your wedding. I seen some bride who the day of the wedding they just look so stressed out and so thing they really can't enjoy it. Their face, you can see in the picture, they just look drained out. But before I go into the topic, one thing I want you guys to understand, ladies, and ladies, please understand. I understand weddings is mostly about female, but it's not about only you. You are getting married to your spouse. He's also there. They are there and going through the emotions with you. They may not be as involving things, but it also that day. Do not shut them out. Do not make this all just about you. My wedding, my wedding, my wedding, my wedding. We got mine, and make you feel left out. That will add more stress to you. So also consider your partners. Also consider the things that you used to do with your partner before you guys get engaged. Take time apart to sit there and go on dates, to do things that you used to do, to not make your partner feel left out. Because I've seen a lot of weddings get canceled because of that. Honestly, people start to get married somebody, that things change, and then they argue, they do more, and later on the person's like, you know what? This is not the person that I want to get married to. And some people might say, but what if a small argument? No, people violate a lot of things. When a man decides to propose to somebody, he thinks about all the situations, and then when you start to be this whole different person and just going on this long, he's like, oh, I don't know if I want to be married to this person for the rest of their life, because we do change. And I know we do change about a lot. So don't forget your partner. So that's the first thing I would say. Make sure you find time for that. And the second thing is that I want you guys to try to put in healthy eating habits. Now, when I say healthy eating habits to your routine, because you have to nourish your body and your mind. I'm not saying go on this whole diet for a year or 6 months. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that slowly incorporate healthy stuff into your diet. The better, because the thing about it, the better you healthy, and the more healthy stuff you start to relate it into your skin. You can see the difference on your skin. It energizes you. It gives you balance. So try to put more vegetables, more fruits, no more things into your diet, little by little. And then another thing, I want you to increase your water intake. Water, 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 as we always been talking about. Water is good for your body. It is good. I'm not saying to sit there and go drink a whole gallon of water a day or just make your stomach hurt. But I'm saying if you the kind of person that normally don't drink water, try to add a little bottle here and there, a little glass, and substitute it. Cut down the soda. If you can leave out the soda, I understand. But some people have sweet too. Some people love soda. For me, I'm not a soda person. But that doesn't mean that I don't drink it. I love me some Pepsi. I love me some breaks, but I don't have it every day. If I say I would drink, if I don't, I don't. So just try to incorporate those things into your body. And then also invest in sleeping habit, healthy sleeping habits. So I understand we have life, we got work, we got a lot of things, we got kids, we got a lot of things that go on in the middle of the day. But try to incorporate at least sleeping for at least 7 hours. Sometimes it's hard because, there are things that people cannot do, um, that makes it, you know, put you in the whole mind frame and a lot of things that you have to think about. But one thing I want you to make sure is that include, try, even if it's 1 or 2 days a week, try to add a little bit more sleep to your diet, to your body, so you can rest and be things and make sure you get enough rest. And then another thing, you want to have a peaceful mind. Please try not to stress out a lot. Try, and I understand it's a stressful time. It's a lot of things. And how can I not stress? If you have to take a free moment and woosah and just say, you know what, it is what it is. I'm gonna figure it out tomorrow. If you say I will pursue my different number, but try to not, because trust me, when you are stressed and you are tired, it makes you tired. It makes you drained out. You start to show in your face. It looks bad. So I understand life is already stressful in general. Do not allow your wedding to create more stress in your life. And there are some of the things I say. Hire a planner, hire a professional, or have a family member to take on your stress. Because the more, and I'm not saying it's not, but when you put those things in your budget, let somebody take care of your stress so you don't have to worry about it. Eliminate your stress. It really does help you. And I would say, find time, whether you have a counselor, whether you go to church, whether you meditate, whatever it is that will kind of get you down to woosah in your moment, to get you to seek Jesus. For me, when I have my problem, I go to the Lord. And I'm sitting like, you know what, Jesus, today is the day. You got to show up and do something for me. Whatever you believe in, whatever your religion, whatever your faith, whatever it is that you do to calm you down, use those things to how to come and get you to those moments when it's rocky, and just have those time. Whatever you're so like I said, whatever it is that you need to do it. And another thing I would say, create your journal. Start to write things down. Like for me, I write. Not every day. And one thing I would say, when you're writing your journal, do not read it. Just start writing and just let it flow. Because I know from time many times when I try to write something, and once I read a couple of them, I'm like, oh no, I'm not saying that. And that just describe. Don't think about it, just read it. After a few days you can go back and read it. Like, so most of the time, sometimes I write something, I'm like, oh damn, was I really feeling that way? Let you be honest with yourself. Because there's sometimes there are things that we cannot tell people, there are things that we cannot say to other people because we feel like we don't want to hurt them, we don't want to do it. Write it down on paper. If you gotta write it down and then tear it up, but just let it out. But don't let your stress pile on your brain. And thing is that create boundary with technologies. Oh my God, in this world, we on the phone all 24/7. As soon as we wake up, the phone is first thing we pick up. Don't shut your partner off. Have this create moment. Sometimes put on your phone, do not disturb. And I understand in the middle of the night, if anybody calling you, they can do it another day. Create this moment where you can relax and you can do things that you don't have to worry about it. You understand what I'm saying? Like, try to relax. Spend time with your partner, your kids, or whoever you are you have to, because you're in this together. Sometimes other people may have the answers to your question that you don't know. Don't try to take it on all by yourself, girl. It's too much right now. Like, ask for help. Let people help you. Now, if you don't have a help, that's a different problem. But if somebody willing to help you and they're going to do it right, seek their help, honey. Don't try to, and give your partner a task. Like, I'm the kind of person, if I want you to do something, I say, okay, hey, I need you to take care of this, and let them do it. And the rest will fall through. Please, don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. You don't want to be looking a mess. You know, prioritize your social life. When I mean prioritize social life, is that I know sometimes when you are out a lot of stress, we don't want to do anything. We just want to sit on it. Hang out with your friends. Hang out with whoever it is that you heard that make you laugh. Like, we all have our certain group of friends where some days when you go into a lie, they just make you forget your problem and you just sit there. Don't sit there and wallow in your things. Make sure you take the time to actually sit there and look at things. Don't say, oh, well, because I'm just going to sit in here and just wallow in my pain. No, go out. Whether it's your partner or your best friend, have a girls' night out and just say, I'm just going to kick you for a little bit and just do things. And those things will happen. Do not let it just sit there and don't, stress yourself out. Please, please, please. Social life is important. I'm not saying go out every day now. Don't go tell your partner and say, well, Lena said I need social life, so I need to go out every single. No, 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 no. I didn't say that. I said once in a while, it's good to go out and enjoy yourself. And then I say, the last thing, but like I said, crave time for your partner. Have a time where you can have your same dates, because this person you're going to spend your rest of your life with you. The things that you guys used to do before you guys get engaged, do the same thing. Have a time where you go out If it's weekly, if it's once a month, pick a day in the week that say, okay, you know what, this is just dedicated to my partner. We're just gonna do this, we're gonna have fun and just do all that. And all of that will eliminate your stress. But once again, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunno. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye.